Hello,
Hello.
Mayor. How are you? Oh, it's great to
It's great
see
to see you
you.
too. Let me look at you. You look
Oh, I'm
fat.
casual, dear.
I'm
You want to
casual.
look hard? Don't look hard.
Don't look hard. I'm like, okay. I have one of those ring lights for later that my son hooked up for me for something. And I went, oh my God, I can't.
Your
I
lighting's
can't.
good. Oh,
Is
look who's coming to say hi.
no.
Hi, I
How are
just wanted
you?
to let you know that I cut my hair tonight, this morning.
What?
My hair is very short.
He didn't.
Cut your own hair. You did not
He
cut
won't
your
let me touch it. I've been threatening while he's sleeping, right? With the
see,
scissors.
see, Jim wants me to take in about 2 weeks because he's a chia head. And
Yeah.
he wants me to do it. I'm like, I don't think I can.
Why not?
Because I'm afraid I'm going to make a mistake.
Okay, Linda doesn't have that fear, unfortunately.
No, I don't have that fear.
You don't have that fear.
No.
Okay, I'm not good in arts and crafts. I'm not good at cutting anything. I just cut my girlfriend's hair in university and I did a bad job. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye,
Nice to
dear.
see
Bye,
you.
Archie. So how is Jim? Tell us about your dear husband. Your
He's good.
newlywed.
He has, are we recording right now? Are we doing it?
Yes.
Okay, hi there. Jim is working real hard, and it's a different thing because when he comes home, it's a different thing than before this whole situation happened. You know, you have an operation, you do the operation, come home, and then you carry on.
Tell our viewers what he does. They might not know.
He is an anesthesiologist at a fine hospital here in Toronto, and he also is a pain medicine guy, and he has just been working really hard. The days are long and intense, and when he comes home, I mean, he doesn't really bring it home, but you can feel there's a difference, you know, and that's
I mean, he must
that's
be
the
under
deal.
a lot of stress.
Sure. Yeah. And I do ask him some questions and you know, he does throw numbers my way, and we do look at the John Hopkins graph and
Oh, I look at it 5 times a day.
oh my gosh, I know. And I ask him, you know, different parts of the country, but not only Canada, but the United States. So we've got friends there too. And it's a very unique time, but I'm really proud of him because he is taking it all in and really calm about it. But you can tell very concerned about so many things, but he doesn't necessarily share them with me.
Right.
You know? Yeah.
Well, that's really tough. And
It's
how
really
do you
tough.
think Canada's doing?
He thinks Canada's doing okay.
I heard
Yeah.
our Prime Minister this morning, and I was very proud of him.
Yeah.
He was
Well,
very compassionate.
he is a compassionate person. He doesn't make up facts that are not facts. He doesn't cause any anxiety. He tells people what he knows and shares what he knows. I love the fact that he was talking to the children
Yes.
and their level. Yeah, I thought that was really great. And I know that he's a great communicator, and
Yes.
he's doing the best that he can and telling us what we need to know. And I love our Mayor Tory here in Toronto.
Oh, we love John.
We'd love him.
He's the best.
It's like when he gets mad, it's like your dad's really mad at you.
Yeah, no, the look on his face, he's
It's like,
serious.
what's wrong with you? You know, and
Serious.
I know about like the parks and distancing and social distancing, but I think, you know, they're all doing such a great job. And I think I'm no scientist, but the fact that we're spread out and we're very, I don't know, Canadians, you know, there's a couple of people that don't listen.
No, but we're basically pretty respectful.
Yes.
Do as we're told.
Right.
When it's serious.
Right. I think so. And I think we're abiding by that. So how are you doing over in your house, which is gorgeous?
Fine. You know, I'm so happy to have this new outlet, this Housebound, to be able to visit my friends virtually and to be able to talk about, you know, what you're doing, because you have a huge fan base that must miss you. What are you doing?
Well, I'm doing the Chum Morning Show, 1045, with Jamar and Caitlin and Miles, our producer. And I do that every morning from 5 to 9. I do it from my basement, which is the location.
Are you going to move your computer a little bit so we can see?
Okay, you want to see? This is my faux Rothko.
Nice piece of art. Yes.
Faux Rothko pillows.
Nice sofas. Oh,
there's the lights. There's the lights that I don't like. Yeah. Okay, and then go like this, and there's the stair. You know this house.
Yeah,
so
I know
well.
this space.
Yeah, and then there you go. Yeah.
Lovely. Very nice.
And people are saying, why are you doing it in your basement? Well, that's because I have a microphone that I have to use, and all the
Oh, a
equipment,
real serious one.
a real serious one, and all the equipment is wired back to my room where all my technical stuff is. And also, everything is soft cloth. There's no hardwood here.
Good
And
acoustic.
so the acoustics are much better down here. And I got to tell you, I finished this room about 2 years ago, and I had not really enjoyed it.
I remember.
Now you remember that?
It was for
And
your
now,
son, really, who doesn't live there.
doesn't live there anymore. And so when I finished it, I went, oh, okay. And then when Jim moved in with me in October, we're finding ourselves watching movies and whatnot down here. And I thought,
it's cozy.
It's cozy. And I can lay down if I want to, and I can bring food down and no one's going to bother me. But this is also a workspace now. And it separates me, Linda, from the other part of the house. So when I'm in the kitchen, and by the way, it's far away from the refrigerator. That's the added bonus. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Marilyn, you just roll out of bed. You roll downstairs to do your radio show. I'd like to know, when this is over and we're back to normal someday, and we will be, are you going to still want to roll out of bed and roll downstairs? It's pretty easy.
I knew you were going to say that to me. This whole dynamic is going to change. Yes. Not just me personally, but how things are done.
Yes.
If you were thinking about, well, maybe online, or maybe I'll do this. And I'm talking about corporations in general. Everybody. They're thinking, why am I paying the square footage that I'm paying in this building?
It's funny. Some of that is true. On the other hand, we have 50 people from House and Home Media working from home. They miss each other.
Yeah.
They miss the camaraderie of getting together. It takes twice as long to do anything this way. It does, right?
Yeah.
And so it's pros and cons. I think we're all hoping to get back together again. But for you, for radio shows at 5 a.m, this is good.
This is, I'll be truthful. I get up at 3:45. I go down and make a cup of coffee. I watch half an hour of news. I come down here. Yes, I'm in my pajamas. We are on the morning show on Zoom. We all have accepted how we look in the morning.
Good.
The show goes really, really fast. And then Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I do a podcast called Marilyn Denis Does a Podcast, because the TV show's not happening. So they decided to incorporate a podcast. That happens at 10. Like, for example, I talked to Andrea Martin earlier this morning. That was great. And then meetings. And here's the downside. You have to have a cutoff time. You know, like, people can get a hold of you and all these emails, and it's like,
you have to shut it down.
You got to shut it down. And when you leave the house and you come back, you go, okay, I'm with Michelle, I'm with Archie, I'm in my house, I'm good. There's no shut off point.
That's why being in the basement's good. This is my home office. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
It's my dining.
Is that on the third floor or no?
No. I took over the dining room.
Oh, you did.
Because I wanted the sunlight, and we're not having dinner parties at the moment.
Such a great room for a dinner party. Yeah.
And I took all the leaves out of my dining room table and I made it into a desk. And so I'm down here. Michelle's upstairs in the home office. And now there's a certain time of day when I shut it all off and I leave this room. And that's a good mental separation.
Yeah, I think you need that. I think you really need that. And I found myself, we're into week 3. And I found myself this Friday, I looked at my husband and I said, I don't know what's wrong, but I'm going to go to bed. And I went to bed and I woke up the next day, Saturday, and I was kind of off and I didn't know why. And I think it's just that feeling of, this is not a vacation. This is always an underlying feeling of, I'm in the business of helping people, giving you news and entertaining and what have you.
And distraction.
Comfort. Yeah, distraction.
You want to bring a little joy into their life.
Yeah. So
so
this is a different time. But the answer to your question is, like, the rolling out of bed, coming down here and putting on CP24 and doing the morning show. I'm digging it. I'm loving it. I like it.
Now, how are we going to convince you, either today or another day, to take us on a tour with your laptop? Because a lot of my viewers have never seen your house.
Well, first of all, I was anticipating that.
Good.
And when I had, remember, we're only told to go grocery shopping once a week, right?
Yes.
So I bought tulips.
Oh, very nice.
I thought the orange touch would be great. And I'm going to
nice.
take you. Is it okay if I do basement and main floor? Because upstairs is a little sketch.
Whatever you can show us.
Okay. All right.
Curious. Now, Marilyn's place has been in-house and home, and we've done shows on before and after with Joel.
Yes.
Remember we did that.
Yep.
But there might be somebody in the world who missed it.
So I'll take you here. Now, in here is the laundry room. By the way, I'm doing so much laundry, I can't even tell you. I do it every day. There's my laundry room.
A little bit therapeutic. You've got
a little therapeutic. This is where all the high-tech stuff is, and the vacuum cleaner.
Oh, that's important.
Okay, and this is the second bathroom.
Yep, very nice.
Actually, it's a basement bathroom. Hello.
Yes.
And then we're going to walk to here. There's a lot of storage here. How about this? You want to see organization?
Let's see reality.
Look at this. Look.
Oh, I remember this about you, the throw pillow queen. You have more throw pillows than anybody I know.
I can open up my own store.
You take it very seriously. You redo, you restyle for spring, you restyle for winter. You take it very seriously.
And then over here is holiday and travel. And my husband's jeans. I don't know why they're
I don't either.
I'll throw them up. What the heck is that doing?
Holiday.
Anyway,
I love it. Okay. A holiday stylist dream. I love it. Now, what about your guest room?
Now, I'm going to show you. Hang on one second. Yeah. So I'm really proud of this. They're not attractive because you've seen them before. But in my broadcasting life, I've gotten to interview a lot of great people. I got to interview Tony Curtis twice.
Ooh, wow.
And he was a great storyteller. And he also painted, and he gave me 2 of his prints on both visits. So he always put cats. Can you see? Cats.
Yeah. This is fascinating.
Isn't that great?
Yes.
Look, and he even drew an extra cat for me down here.
It looks like kind of like a Matisse. It's very good.
Yeah. And then he did this one. And this is when he had his Canadian premiere exhibition.
Very nice.
Okay?
Yeah.
Tony Curtis. Yeah. And then here's my, we call this the cottage because we've ever had a cottage and then I sold it.
Yes.
So a lot of stuff from the cottage has moved down here. So there you go.
I remember this. Very nice.
And you and I worked on this.
Yes, we did.
And then you put these fabulous blackout curtains up here.
Did. Yeah, I remember.
Cozy. Yeah.
Okay, well, next time I visit you,
I
would like an upstairs tour.
Oh, well, okay, we'll see. Hey, we'll see, because it's just I haven't made the bed.
Look
at this. I will do that. Look, there's my Peloton.
Oh, good.
Okay, the Peloton. I ride this Peloton 5 to 6 times a week if I want to go outside, but I can't go outside. So the other day I was up Mount Rainier in Washington. I was on the California coast. It gives me some sanity. Yeah, it does. Okay, you ready to go upstairs to the next floor?
Yep.
Okay, do we have time?
Yep, of course we do. And while you're walking, I want to tell you, Michelle does his virtual workouts with his trainer, Annabelle from Totem.
Does he?
They set up the computer and he does it on Skype and it's fabulous.
How are you doing with your workouts?
Oh, fine. I mean, yeah. It's done. I go for walks in the neighborhood, but I, just a little bit walk around. Yeah. But I've been working flat out.
I know you have.
Turning all our magazines out from people at home. Oh, that looks beautiful.
See, I bought tulips.
More tulips
for you because I knew that you were going to be here.
I love that art that's sitting over your trolley.
You and I picked. Well, you helped me pick this out.
I love that art. It's it's under plexi. That's
beautiful.
Beautiful.
And I think you found this for me too.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Antique, yeah. Mm-hmm. Linda has worked with me very much on this house. And I love Brian, of course, you know Gluckstein. Right?
I know Brian did the original. He did when you built it from scratch, and that's that wall color. Just let us see your walls, Marilyn.
Oh, okay, sure.
Those walls in that beautiful sort of a taupey cream.
Yeah.
Eggshell. Very French.
That's Brian. That's great. Brian. So Brian designed the house.
Yeah.
And somebody else built the house, but Brian designed the house. So so he did this fireplace right here.
Yeah. It goes through to 2 rooms.
La, 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 la,
And we've
la.
got your living room. And then I remember we made it a little more feminine,
We did.
just a little bit.
Yeah.
I love that cabinet. Okay.
I do too. That's from Hollis Clooney.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's made in Canada, and it's a beautiful cabinet.
Yeah, beautiful and beautiful. Oh,
Yeah.
more flowers for
More
Linda
flowers.
because I knew you were coming.
And I love
And
those.
you know,
I love those lamps with the black shades. Those are great. That's a nice grouping in your front hall.
well, that's the mirror. Oh, wait, hold on. This you found for me.
Yes, I remember. And that lamp
Love.
I love. It's like a sort of quill.
Yeah.
Yep. Great.
Gorgeous.
Great. Marilyn,
There's the close up.
Did you do this for us, or is it always like that?
Well, I bought the flowers.
Your
'cause
house
I knew
is
you were
always
coming. And I said to my husband, Linda's coming today virtually, and I've got to make sure everything looks good. So when you leave, please make sure everything's tidy. But no, it's pretty tidy, except when my granddaughter's visiting, and then a little bit more flowers. You see, Linda, I'm doing
great. Okay, the lamp on the island. Let's talk about that.
Sure.
A lamp on an island is one of my most favorite touches in a kitchen because it gives an intimate glow, and so few people do that.
I rarely put my overhead lights on.
Yeah.
Now the reason why I because of the TV studio, it's too bright. But I know I have to do that for TV. And when my husband is here, he goes, "Why don't you turn on the lights?" I go, "Because it's a mood setting.
Yeah.
It's so pretty."
Yes. Now show us the back.
Yeah. Well,
show us the French doors at the back of your. Yes. Love, love, love.
How's my camera work? Pretty good?
It's really good.
Okay. Now,
if I were a cameraman on the Marilyn Denis show, I might be worried.
So Linda also helped me with my backyard. And let me tell you, so I've got an eating little place there. We just uncovered everything for you.
But I remember when we did it, Marilyn, your criteria was you wanted a craft table for all your projects.
Oh, yeah.
Potting flowers.
Yes.
Things. And it was such a romantic notion. I loved it.
I loved it. It was great. I will do it sometime in 2021.
Yes. Great room. Okay, great room. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's such a great house. And, you know, like Brian took such great care in designing it.
Camera, so we can just get one long overview.
Of what?
Of the room.
Oh.
Just turn your computer around so we can just get one.
Oh, okay.
We want you to pan the room.
Pan the room.
Yeah.
Let's see. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get ready for the pan.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay.
Pull back, pull back. Very nice. Okay, this is great. Now they can really see it. That's great art. I don't remember you having that art in the back.
That is another faux Rothko that my husband brought from Seattle.
Faux Rothko. Love it. Okay, this is good camera work.
Huh?
I love your dining room table. It's so fine.
Mahogany. Great. And then I'll walk you into the other room.
Yep.
Because this could be my next. I could be working for House and House.
You could be.
You know?
Okay, this is good, Marilyn. We've got it now. We love it.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to show you something.
What?
This is the new issue of House and Home.
Yeah.
You can download it for free on the App Store.
Get out of
town. Go to the
town.
App Store. Just download the House and Home app because some people can't get to supermarkets and drugstores and they're not get their newsstand copy or they're not subscribers. But so this is our free digital download to make everybody feel connected.
Very good. Oh, that looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I tell you how much I miss you?
I miss you too.
Can you have a dinner party? Can you do a dinner party?
This is over.
Okay. Okay.
I want you to be well. You want to send out?
I just want to say that as soon as we can get back on air, the Marilyn Denis show, we'll do that. We miss our folks for sure, and our audience is what makes up the show. So as soon as it's safe, we're putting a pause. We're giving you encore performances, and we might be introducing some podcasts on some of the shows.
Good.
So we're working on it as you are working on your thing.
Yes, I'm working on my thing. And big shout out to Jim, your husband, and all the healthcare workers.
Thank you.
We're so appreciative of what they're doing for us. It's everything.
It is everything.
I'd like to be one of your first guests when you reopen.
Hey, you know what? We'll do it.
Okay.
I miss you, Linda Reeves. You're a good friend. Thank you so much.
Bye, Marilyn. Take care.
Mwah.